Hey, what's up YouTube family? I'm back here with another episode for you guys. In this episode I'm going to transfer curly hair to a... No. Wait. This time I'm not going to a straight hair. I'm going to show you my talent this time. In this episode I'm going to show you how to transfer a curly hair to a very phenomenal hair without using any hair straightening. Yes, this time I'm not going to use any hair straightening. And I need to announce here, within less than 3 months, I reached 140,000 subscribers. Really need to appreciate you guys. Yeah, we couldn't done this without help of each other. Before begin the video, if you have any requests, if you have any question, please comment down below. Like the hit button if you enjoy the video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on the notification button, so you will be notified whenever I upload my new video. Because of your interest guys, I'm going to upload 2 videos in a week instead of 1 video. I hope you enjoy and appreciate my video. Do not forget to hit the like button. Stay tuned.